Fayra and the Great Snoring Cloud Bank. Deep in the land of sparkly smiles and clean water lived a very special fairy named Fayra. Fayra wasn't just any fairy. She was the kindest, gentlest tooth fairy in all the realm, and her wings shone like moonlight on fresh snow. Every evening, when the stars began to wink, a tiny chime would ring in the tooth palace. This meant a child had wiggled, and finally lost a tooth. Tonight, a special message glowed. Destination, Maya. Fayra carefully tucked a shiny gift into her pouch and zipped into the night. She flew past the tall, velvety trees and the sleeping mountains. But the journey to Maya was never simple. The world was filled with sleepy time challenges. The first obstacle was the Great Snoring Cloud Bank. This enormous, pillowy maze only appeared when everyone in the world was sound asleep. Fayra had to zoom and weave through the misty puffs without making a single noise. She zipped past the friendly owl who guarded the midnight meadow and finally saw it, a small, dark house with one window glowing softly like a sleepy amber eye. Fayra slowed down, folding her bright wings close. Inside, in a cozy bed, Maya was sound asleep. Fayra tiptoed in, lighter than a falling feather. She knew the tooth was waiting, safe and snug, right under Maya's pillow. Fayra had magic for finding things, but she didn't use spells for this job. She used her gentleness, very, very carefully. She reached beneath the pillow. It was a perfect pearly white. "A wonderful tooth for the kingdom," she whispered. She took out the shiny gift, not just a coin, but a tiny charm shaped like a shooting star, and tucked it where the tooth had been. Before she left, Fayra wanted to make sure Maya woke up with the very happiest feeling. She unfurled her wings and sprinkled the air with shimmering golden dust, a sprinkle of sweet dreams and warm memories. With a final silent wave, Fayra zoomed back towards the glimmering dawn. Another mission complete, another child smiling, another beautiful tooth safe. Tomorrow the sun would rise, and Maya would find the magic left just for her.